Assalamu alaikum. This video is going to cover up the basic concepts of coordinate geometry. Means by going through the video, the student may go through all the concepts and in a quicker way, it can be revised. It is just a revision thing. We have not included the past papers in it. Okay. These are the basic topics whose details will be given here. Okay. This slide gives you the concept of the midpoint and the y-intercept and the gradient. You know, gradient tells us that how steep a line is, y-intercept where the line cuts y-axis, then midpoint, the exactly middle point of any given particular line. Okay. Now the distance formula tells the length. It is also called as length formula, distance formula. It is written x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. It can also be written as x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or the y coordinate can be written first and this the second way. All four ways to write it down is correct. Okay, quickly just see how the values have been inserted in it. Then calculator is generally allowed, generally a P2 question. Midpoint, the exactly middle value, x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. There is an example here. Sometimes in past papers, they give you the value of the midpoint and they give you 1 point. So same formula you're going to use, and for the unknown, we can mark it as x and y, and then equate it and we can get the answer. Gradient tells us how steep a line is, how slant a line is. This is the formula of the gradient when points are given. Then this is another a basic idea when the gradient is positive, when the gradient is negative. Something important here, gradient is zero, m is zero whenever there is a straight horizontal line. Obviously, when there is no slantness, no steepness, so there will be no gradient. This is the equation of straight line y equal to mx plus c. M means gradient, c means y-intercept. Check it out, 2 points are given. First of all, getting the value of m, then using c. To get the c, we can use either point. A can also be used or B can also be used. If a student is using A, will get the same answer, B getting the same answer. Okay. This is one method. There is another method, y minus y1 equal to m, x minus x1. Adopting either of the methods, you will get the right equations. This is the working for the second method. Some practice questions are here. Parallel line, an important concept. Gradient of two parallel lines is equal. Then this is giving the concept where these parallel lines, midpoints, and all these things are used in these shapes, rhombus, squares, and all these. Okay, now something important here. The equation is given, two equations are given, and it is given that the lines are parallel. Now, if we check it out, previously when we were supposed to find the gradient, we have the points. But over here, we do not have the points and we have the equation. So the first learning here shows that how to get the gradient when equations are given. The simple way is this, you arrange your equation into the format of y equal to mx plus c, and the m will be the coefficient of x. Like in the first circle, m is minus 3 upon 7. And in the second equation, it is arranged and m is k upon 3. Next point, they're saying that the lines are parallel. When they are parallel, so we will equate the gradients to get the value of k. Something important again here. Equation is given, the point is given. Further, they are saying that line crosses x-axis. Whenever a line crosses x-axis, y will be equal to 0 and there will be some value of x. The simple thing, you insert x comma 0 in the given equation, you will get the point. If it is x equal to 2, we can insert x equal to 2 in the given equation. We will get the required point. Okay, this they have solved with the other method. Okay, some practice questions here. Perpendicular lines. If two lines are perpendicular, the product of the gradients is equal to -1. Perpendicular distance. Okay, check it here. The very first thing, we have arranged the equation and we got m equal to 1 upon 3. Now, as the other line is perpendicular, so here we are going to use m1 multiply m2 is equal to -1. So our m1 is 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 into m2 is equal to -1. Now check it here. -3 and 1 multiply by this 3 is dividing. This will go here. So m2 is equal to -3. That's how they have got this way. Okay. The student generally miss out the steps here. That's why I provided the working. Okay, these are some practice questions for the same concept. So basically, we end up here, and just by this revising out, we have just gone through the concepts of coordinate geometry. Best of luck.